Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me. This is a follow up, and I need your help. Go look at your planes, your old, vintage Stanley planes. Those that have the keyhole, not the kidney, on the lever cap. Okay? Just the keyhole. Well, it's an upside down keyhole. Okay? During the last shootout between the Soba and the Wood River, the Wood River lever cap came loose. And I'm like, what? And that's happening with the Soba. And I made an observation when I was looking over the Soba originally that the lever cap or the cap iron is made wrong. Now, here's what's happening. It's not so obvious on the Wood River, but it is there. On the Soba, it is definitely there. What I'm looking at is this. How do I explain this? I have to take it apart to show you. But taking it apart sort of moves things. And I explained this when I had the Soba apart as well. Now, your lever cap should rest behind the bevel of the chip breaker. These are right up over the bevel of the chip breaker. Now, the Wood River isn't quite as bad. It has a little bit wider flat. But if it goes past that bevel on the chip breaker, it loses its registration. And so when you advance and retract, advance and retract, advance and retract, it will loosen up and you got to start all over again. So, for those of you who have older planes, I don't care what the brand is, Stanley, Miller's Falls, Ward's Master, Miller's Fall, I don't care, whatever the brand. If it has a standard keyhole lever cap, go out and set your plane up. Everything's proper. Bring your blade to the sole. Then watch. Okay? You watching? If I go one full rotation of the retract on the adjuster nut, then I go one full advance, and then I go one full retract. Look at that. It just slides right off. Is that the reason Stanley changed to the kidney-shaped one? And I think part of the problem, I could be wrong, but when I look at both of these lever caps, when they sand and polish this surface, this is becoming countersunk, indented. You see that? It's not flat. It's indented around the keyhole. That could be part of the problem. Now, the Wood River has a wider flat surface, whereas the Soba has a smaller protruding surface. So if this one gets hooked up on the chip breaker, it definitely is going to come loose. But you see here too, you see how this is indented? You look at the reflection. It's not flat and straight, indented or countersunk. So if you would be so kind to leave me a comment if you have old planes with the keyhole and you go out and test a full advance, a full retract, a full advance, a full retract, a full advance, a full retract. When I say full, I mean one rotation. When you do that several times, does the lever cap loosen? Inquiring minds want to know. So that's about it. I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. Walter out.